Tha, sung, exhale down. Inhale, up, slowly so look up, chin up. Exhale, suck your stomach in. And last one, inhale, up, look up, chin up, hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, slowly suck your stomach in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now hit Chen Phi lane, Chen Phi Tai Chai. Right leg and left hand all together up. Exhale, suck, knee to nose, dalsum. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And the last one, inhale, up, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tai Chi Chen Phi, backside, grab your ankle and raise your leg up. If you can, then twist your hands, gap tai or thang tai. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chen Chai outside, Tai Phi lane. Left leg outside and right hand all the way up, slowly, slowly. Very good. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Come center, same, lower chin. Change your leg. Inhale, left leg up and right hand together. Exhale, slowly come down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last 2 times. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And the last one, inhale, up. You have to maintain. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand back side, grab your left ankle. Thang Chen Len. 2, 3, 4, 5. Back side, Tai Chi Lin, Mam Lin. Slowly, slowly. Very good job. Excellent. Come on, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In bear. Come to child pose. Just slowly relax your body. Relax your thighs. Just relax. Now 2 times. Inhale, cobra. Slowly line up. Exhale, child pose. Again, same. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child pose. The last one, inhale, cobra. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Downward facing dog. Mamlin Dao Swang. 1 by 1, heel up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, right leg up. Chen Phi lane. Tha, Chen Phi lane chuk. Goi sung. Hai Tai lane cow. Raise your hands up. Come to Anjani. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tha, Chen Phi Thang Chen. Hai Tai swang, the swang. Exhale. Slowly come down. Try to relax your calf muscle. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Chen Phi Rasao. Right leg back. To plank pose, body should be straight, one line. Sum, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra, look up, chin up. Exhale, downward dog. Again, same. One by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same, doi chin. Left leg up, chin chai. Chin chai, len chuk, left leg front. Yup, very good. High thigh len go. Raise your hands up. Excellent. Come on, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chân trái thăng. Thở ra, hai tay xoang, đầu xoang. Exhale down, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chân trái ra sau, left leg back. To plank pose, body should be straight, one line. Beautiful. Hold the breath, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra, look up, chin up. Exhale, downward dog. One more time, hit bow, chin file in, right leg up. Chin file, len chuk, right leg front. Goi sung. High thigh, back side, interlock your finger. High thigh swung, downward maklan len. Both hand back side, interlock your finger, look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same, gap chin, high thigh len, down swung. If possible, then go len. Can I dog? Go len, come dog, go soon. Chin gap chin, chay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. High thigh swung, chin fight asa, right leg back. Plank pose, body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3. Sung, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra, look up, chin up. Exhale, downward dog. Same. One by one, come on. Muthai. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one, inhale. Chin challenge, left leg up. Left leg front, in between your palm. Drop your knees, both hand back side. Interlock your finger. Downward Maklin. 1. Very good job. 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Thở ra. Hai tay lên cao, đầu xoang. Can I do go lên? If possible, then knee up. If you cannot, then drop your knee. Comes out. 1. Good job. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Hai tay swung. Chanchara sau, left leg back. Plank pose, body should be straight, one line. Sung, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, downward dog.